2024 is gone. Mom's gone. So, what's in store for me in 2025? It's the year of Wood Snake today. So, it's Chinese New Year. Kung Hei Fat Choi to everyone. But let me start by sharing that 2024 had passed without me realizing it. And if I were to sum up my 2024, it's only two things. I lost my mom in March, and then I spent the rest of the year in depression mode. Couldn't sleep. I sleep around 4 or 5 a.m. every day. I wake up at 9, 10, 11, almost lunchtime, and I do nothing. And today I'm sharing my story because today is a year of transformation. And I don't want to be emotional because I want to be happy, and I'm choosing to be happy and have the positive vibe today. And I want to share something that I achieved, and I'm so proud I achieved it. And that's just by simply waking up at 7 a.m. today and sleeping last night at 10 or 11 p.m., actually after the midnight. And to me, this is a great success because, when you don't sleep, and a lot of people, I think they underestimate the value of sleep. And, our body is made out of, well, the cosmos, right? The cosmic body that we have. And it's actually in sync with the sun, and it's called the biocircadian rhythm. So what does it do? Basically, when we wake up, so the energy rises, right? And then your melatonin is down, and that's the hormone that's secreted by your pineal gland. And basically, what it does is, okay, I'm awake, I'm wide awake, I'm now ready to make my task, complete the tasks that I set for today, and then full of energy, clear mind. But what does low sleep, no sleep at all does to our body and our brain? Basically, brain fog. Like in my case, yeah, basically, I really find myself like sometimes I'm like, what is this? I can't even think. I feel like I'm a dumb person. And that's purely because of the lack of sleep. And the other thing that impacts it when you have lack of sleep is basically you gain weight, because the sleep has a lot of function in terms of regulating your metabolism. So basically, in simple terms, when you sleep, when you have enough sleep, you regulate you sync your body with biocircadian rhythm. The sun is up, your melatonin goes down, and therefore your depression and anxiety and stress goes down as well, because the melatonin is reduced, and therefore as the sun sets, so when it's going down, it basically boosts your melatonin so that you can feel sleepy, and that's what we need, right? So body needs to rest, and it needs to refresh and recover for today so that tomorrow it gives you another energy. And today I'm just so proud I really achieved my super important goal, which is to sleep early and wake up at 7 a.m. today, because I want to wake up in this beautiful, glorious day of the year of wood snake, which is in the year 2025, the day one of the year of wood snake. And I'm a believer of astrology, Chinese astrology, and lunar year definitions. And yeah, there's no harm in believing. And to me, how am I changing my life in 2025? And I made that commitment today that I'm here for myself and I'm showing for myself. and that sleep is the number one thing that I can really improve on, and wake up, recharge at 7 a.m., 6 a.m., or 7 a.m. every day. And that's going to be my ambition, my vision, my goal, which is very, very simple, but it does a lot of benefits to your body. So don't underestimate the power of sleep. And this is a very raw video. I've never really planned for it. And as you can see behind me, I just have a mandarin and a longhand as my way of celebrating Chinese New Year, something with round. And and uh, and today I feel victorious because managed to see the sunrise basically, which is quite kind of late because it's winter time in Europe. And I feel so proud because this has been a major achievement for me. And sleeping early, waking up early, that gives me a recharged body, a clear mind. And today I showed up. I showed up in this channel. I showed up in this platform to share my story, and I want you to be my accountability partner. I invite you to keep on watching the improvements that I'm doing in my life so that I can share them with you, because we all go through um, sadness. We lose people, we lose our loved ones, but we hardly talk about it because, yeah, when people go through some sort of depression, it's always seen as a weakness, but actually it's just a vulnerability, and allowing yourself to feel what you want to feel, the body to go through it. And then at one point, you find yourself, that's it. I want to change my life. Today is the day. And I choose this day because it's the first day of the year of Wood Snake. And this is a transformative year. And I'm setting my transformation this year. So would you like to be my accountable partner? Then join me, subscribe, like, or share this with your friends. And yeah, happy to share my life journey with you. Thank you. And then it's a pleasure to have you. Thank you so much.